What's up, productive people? It's Connor from BusyBox. In this video, we're gonna go over how to set up Google Assistant with your BusyBox. So first of all, you need to have an Android device to use Google Assistant. If you have an Apple device, please check out our How to Set Up Siri video. To use Google Assistant, you'll need to first connect your device and simply use the right command to turn on your BusyBox. Let's give it a try. Little pro tip, if you want to use Hey Google or OK Google, be sure to download the Google Assistant app and set it up to recognize your voice on your phone in the Google Assistant settings. I'll hit the mic icon here to bring up Google Assistant. Now give this command: open BusyBox and turn on devices. Okay, great. Let's turn them off. This time I'll use Hey Google. Hey Google, open BusyBox and turn off devices. That's it, you're done. Please check out the entire series of YouTube videos we've created to help you troubleshoot any problems you may run into, to show you all the features of our products and apps, and we even offer pro tips for those looking to deep dive. To access all our videos, click the link in the description below or navigate to our channel. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you want to be alerted when we post new content, explain new features, and launch new products.